See that scrambler and a box. Let's take a look. 1200 scrambler slip on. Sort of unboxing, fitting video of the new TEC bike parts. 1200 scrambler, 2-in-1 slip on exhaust system. This is going to be one of them videos where the guy doing the video is like, this is really hard to do with one hand and go open a box. Boom, we're in. Right, so I have opened it, so it's not really technical unboxing, but I have to transport it, so I had to get sealed back up again. So this is essentially the first time it's been opened. Get out of here. So, catalogue, you've got a website, sticker, get out of here. This is the puppy. Yes. Look at that dirty little beast. Right, so I'm not gonna do a fitting video. I'm just gonna show you guys it, because if you watch TEC's video, he fits in that. So if you want to see how to fit it, watch his video. I'm just gonna quickly whack it on and fire it up, see what it sounds like. My garage is such a mess. There's the bike anyway. So I don't have a great deal of space in this garage. I ain't got a lot of space in this berth. Got this thing. Yeah, TT 600 project that I crashed it and now I'm putting it back together. And the scrambler, she's proper caked. I was out with the weekend green lane and then look at the nastiness on there. Right. Pretty cake. Alright, so that's off. And if you want to see what the standard exhaust looks like without the silencers on, that's what it looks like. This is for a project. Look at the state of that. I've got it provisionally on. Looks pretty good. I'm quite impressed. Yeah, it sounds good. Right, so I'm nearly finished. I had a little bit of trouble with this. That clamp is literally as tight as it'll go before it breaks. Still not quite tight enough, so it's pretty good. Just need to essentially button it up, put the springs on. I suppose if you wanted to, you could get this middle sleeve extended, because that was my only little gripe with this exhaust, was it seemed a little bit too short. Like I'd have probably wanted it to finish about there. So I suppose if you wanted to, you could get a longer middle sleeve and bring it out a bit further, then just flip this top mounting bracket on the other side and put it that way. The only issue you'd have then is your rear heat shield wouldn't quite line up properly. So that's the next job. Springs on, and then the heat shield, and then it we go. But I think it's gonna look pretty good. I think I've been after a 2-in-1 for a TEC. Just dropped this the other day, so it's pretty good. Removable baffle. But it sounds pretty nice already. TEC didn't send me this. I paid for this with my own money, so it's totally unbiased opinion. But I like it. I'm impressed. I wanted a 2-in-1 from the get-go. I mean, and there was the Vance and Hines thing that people were putting on off the Street Twins, but it was like totally wrong up the front. Go for something proper, 2-in-1, and this really reminds me of the aural systems for the 865 scramblers. It's gonna look sick. I'm really excited to ride it. Right, so it's on. That's what it looks like. Sorry about the darkness. It's the clocks went back yesterday, so despite it only being like 5:30, pitch black. Get some better pictures in the daylight.